Okay, so what we're going to do now is file a provisional patent at IP Australia, and first thing is I'll start from the IP Australia website, and I have the patent that I'm going to file on my desktop here all ready to go. In this situation, the drawings and everything about the patent are all in the one file. So I'm going to be only saving one file to the IP Australia, to my IP Australia account. So the first thing is you're going to log in, and when you log in, it's a bit of rigmarole to set up account and register anyway, but because I am already using digital identity, my ID, I'm going to use that to log in. So so what happens is it asks you to open your My ID app, on your phone, and I'm just going to go there now. So I'm kind of logged in and ready to receive a code. So it's up and ready. So when I get a code, it'll actually show that same code on my phone, and I just select accept, and it'll take me back to the IP Australia website. Beauty. So that works, and I'm back at the site now. I'll just close through this. So I want to apply for IP rights. It's a bit confusing, this screen, but a patent is an IP right. So I'm going to apply for IP rights, and the type that I'm looking for is patents. Apply for a new Australian patent. It will actually give me an option to do a provisional from here. So okay, so now I'm applying for an Australian patent, and it tells you what you need, all the information you need to have ready before you go in. But basically, if you've got a patent specification with the drawings inside it, you've got everything that you need, besides your address and payment and stuff like that. If there's multiple inventors too, you'll see that you actually need the information about the other inventor involved in this. But in this case, I'm just filing for myself. I'm filing as the inventor, and also the current assignee, the owner of the patent, at the point of filing. So start a new application. You can also enter national phase, but this is I'm starting a new application, and it's going to be a provisional patent. These things, innovation patents, are no longer available. I don't know why they've still got it on the site. A standard patent means you're going straight into national phase, which I really don't think is a good idea. And you know, the whole idea with the provisional is you've got 12 months to be able to work out whether you're going to go the whole distance on the patent or not, and your big expenses don't start. So here we go. I'll start with a provisional and hit next. Okay, invention details. So I have the title. I'm just going to open up the patent and get the title, copy and paste it, copy it. It's quite a complicated one, but actually this is just a concept for turning an AI agent into an autonomous, self-regulating entity. It's really exciting. This is one of my most exciting inventions ever, but anyway, I'll continue on. The category, there's only three. This is electrical, electronic, chemical, biotechnology, not obviously, and mechanical is for obviously a mechanical type of patent. So this is electrical, electronic. It's a bit misleading, a bit scary, but because there's only three options, it's pretty obvious which one it is. All right, so this is the next one. Here's the specification. So this is where I go to my desktop and I drag my file from the desktop across and load it. Okay, are the documents optional? No. So I've got them. Some people actually file their drawings and abstracts and claims separately, but in my case I try and keep it as simple as possible. Also, it means I don't have a lot of files to keep track of. So here I am, continuing on. This is an interesting question I always get. Does your patent application relate to microorganisms? They shouldn't really ask this if it's not a biology invention, but anyway, obviously no. Owner details. Now this is already filled in for me because I've done a lot of patents. So but this is where you fill in your name and your address. It's not really complicated. There's no proof of address or anything like that. Obviously, if you're filing the patent, you're spending the money that you will have got those details correct. So I'm saying use my details, and also using my details for the owner as well. That doesn't mean anything significant. It just means that as the inventor, you can make your decision later on about who you're going to assign the rights to. If you're a professional working for a company, then they're going to want you to put in the the company's details as the owners. But any independent inventor should always put their own details as the owner, unless there's multiple inventors. So that's just a consideration. All right, so then what's next? Who is the agent? The agent is the person that's going to be notified of things relating to this patent, and I am usually the agent myself in this. If your patent attorney files it for you, then he'll be the agent for you, but I can just take these details and give them to my patent attorney later on. But this, in a self-filing situation, I'm the agent myself, and because my details are already saved, all I need to do is select use my details, inventor details. So this is where you add an inventor if there's a second inventor or third inventor involved, but I'm just going to check this box and it has my details again. Okay, here's my all my information. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm just going to pay my $100. Okay. Oops. Okay, so I'm getting my reference number and view my receipt. That's it, I'm filed. So in this case here, it's a good idea to print the receipt as a PDF and save it. All right, that's done.